Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. We are working to make Sun series more interesting, interactive and easy to understand for students. And this video will be a valuable resource not only for students but for teachers and parents as well. And it will help you to understand the concepts more better. Okay, I am Aisha and I welcome you all in your English class, and I am sure that you have grasped all the previous concepts and you are working on your alphabets and their formation. And don't forget to practice the sounds as well. It is so important to notice that how we pronounce a certain letter sound. Okay, let's quickly start our today's lesson. And as you know, the book which we are doing is the English book for pre-nursery. Until now, we have done a lot of things. Let's see what's on the list today. These are the concepts which are needed to be done today. There are some alphabets. Then we will look at some fruits, and we will explore the seasons, and in the end we will see the means of transport. Let's start with some alphabets, and as you know that we have done till the letter R. Let's see a set of next three letters. So as you know that we were done with the letter R, and what comes after R, my dear kids? It's the letter S. Notice the sound very carefully. It's S, S. I am blowing out air out of my mouth. You are not supposed to say S. It's S, S. Short sound, and just blow out air from your mouth. So S, S. And let's see what starts with the letter S. S, sun, S, star, S, soap, and snail. Snail is an insect. After S, we have the letter T, and the sound of T is T. It's not T, my dear kids. It's T. T. T, train. T, tomato. T, tree. And T, table. And after T we have U, and there is a very short sound of U. It's A. U, A. A, umbrella. A, up in the sky. A, umpire. And A, urn. This will be a new word for you. This thing is known as urn. Urn. Okay. And after U, we have V. And the sound of V is V. V. Let's see the friends of V. V, van. V, vest. V, vase. And V, lots of vegetables which are so good for health. So V, vegetables. V, van. V, vest. And V, was. Next one is W. The sound is somehow similar to V, but you have to curl your lips. W, W. W, W. W, well. W, watermelon. W, watch. And W, wall. Let's practice the words again. W, watch. W, watermelon. W, well. And W, wall. I hope you know about the word well. What is a well, my dear kids? We take out water from deep down the earth so that we can drink it or we can use it for any other purpose. Let's apply these alphabets now. So the first part is time to match. We have some vocabulary and the letter under discussion is V. So what things are going to be matched with V? We, V, vegetables and vase. And what about a van? Yes, these three are the related vocabulary words with the letter V. The next one is Circle W. We have lots of jumbled up alphabets. You just have to identify W and you have to color it. And in the next part, you have to say the name of these things and the ones which starts with the letter S, you have to color those. Soap and sun. You have to color in these two pictures very nicely. The next letter is W, W. Let's see how to write that. W is a combination of slanting lines. From the starting point, you will come down, make a slanting line, again go up, come down and again go up. All the lines are slanting, they are not straight. Okay, this is how the zigzag pattern was. Okay, from the starting point, we will come down, then we will go up, again come down and go up. You are going to trace it a lot many times to get a clear idea of its formation. On the next page, I can see a tree, a big green luscious tree, and what you are supposed to do? You are going to match T with it. I can see a lot of T here. There are so many T's over here and you are going to match all of them with this tree. And on the second part, you are going to trace T. Writing T is very easy. It's just a standing line, a little loop at the end, and then there is a sleeping line. From the starting point, you will come down, make a loop, and then lift up the pencil and make a sleeping line. And the next two pages, let's see the formation of S. S will start with this starting point. You will go to the left, make a curve, then come to the right, make a curve again and then finish it. You are going to write S in one go. Like this, this and this. Just like how a snake is. Let's see how to write U. U has a simple formation. You will come down into a curve, follow the curve, go up again, and then there is a little loop. From the starting point, come down, there is a curve, touch the line below, go up, come down again, and then there is a little loop. You are supposed to trace U so many times so that you can get a clear idea of its formation. And I hope you are practicing these letters at home as well. Now comes the next thing. And what is it? Fruits. Fruits are so good for health, my dear kids. If you want a glowing skin, if you want to stay fresh and hydrated, you should eat a lot of fruits. Let's see which fruits are here. I can see a big juicy red apple full of iron and so good for health. The next one is a big juicy mango which comes in summers. It is also called as the king of fruits. It is so yummy and mango flavored things are also very delicious. Mango flavored ice creams or cakes or whatnot. The third fruit is orange. Orange is full of juice. It is also known as a citrus fruit. It is so good for your health and it keeps you hydrated. And the next one is a banana. Banana is also good for your bones and joints. You should add these fruits in your diet. Dear teachers, you can ask the students to bring fruits to the class and you can do a little activity of making a fruit salad so that students will eat fruits and get a habit of eating fruits every day as well. And the next thing is seasons. What do you mean by seasons, my dear kids? Yes, we have 4 different seasons. Sometimes we feel cold, sometimes we feel hot. Why is that? Because Allah Ta'ala has created different seasons on different times of the year. The first one is summer. Summer is quite long season. It comes for so many months and we feel so much hot in that. It comes with different fruits and vegetables. We drink a lot of juices and like to eat ice creams in that season to keep us cool. And the next one is autumn. Whenever you see that leaves are falling from the trees. It's the time of autumn season. Trees shed their leaves so that new ones can come. After autumn, there is winter. My God, we feel so cold in winters. We keep us warm using caps and jackets, and we drink hot soups and coffees to keep us warm. And the last season is the season of spring, when flowers bloom and you can see greenery and colorful flowers everywhere, and the environment is not so hot or not so cool either. This season is really good to enjoy different events. So dear teachers, as we are learning seasons, you can paste flashcards of different seasons in the class, and it will be helpful for students to remember the names of the seasons along with their characteristics. The next thing is transport. So dear kids, have you heard this word before? Transport. Transport means all the things which we use to move from one place to another. There are different things which we use. On the roads, we can see bus, cars, bikes, and in the air, we can see the planes and helicopters. And as you know, my dear kids, there is some transport which we use in the sea or in the water as well. These are the ships and boats. So in these three different places, we have different types of transportation. Dear teachers, tell the students that we have three different types of transportation in land, water and air. Show them pictures of these vehicles and encourage them to notice different vehicles, different means of transport when they are coming to school and in the parking lot as well. My dear kids, this was all about today's lessons. We have done some important alphabets along with some fruits, seasons and transport. Take a good care of yourself. We are going to meet again with another set of things. Allah Hafiz.